Samples of sizes 10 and 14 were taken from two normal populations. So there are two populations with sizes 10 and 14. Now standard deviation are 3.5 and 5.2 respectively. The samples mean were calculated to be 20.3 and 18.6. Test whether the means of the two populations are the same at 5% level, and at 5% level t value is 2.0739. So first we will calculate t value. Now for that we will write all the datas that are given in the question. So we are given two populations, two samples. One has size of 10 and the other has size of 14, and they are normally distributed with standard deviation of sigma 1 is equal to 3.5 and sigma 2 is equal to 5.2. Now also we are given that sample means are x1 bar is equal to 20.3 and x2 bar is equal to 18.6. Now first we will calculate sigma square. So it will be n1 sigma 1 square plus n2. This is standard formula which is already derived in your textbook. Now you have to remember this formula for the examination. Now if you put values of n1 and sigma 1, n2 and sigma 2, let me put actually. n1 is equal to 10, sigma 1 is 3.5 whole square plus n2 is 14 and sigma 2 is 5.2 square. Now n1 plus n2, 10 plus 14 minus 2. Now if you calculate this value and take a square root, then you will get sigma as 4.7724. Now we can able to calculate t value. So it will be difference of two means x1 bar minus x2 bar divided by sigma times 1 upon n1 plus 1 upon n2. This is in under root. This whole bracket is in root. This formula you have to also remember for the exam. Now if we put values of x1 and x2, sigma that we have calculated, and n1 and n2 in this equation, you will get t value as 0.8603. Now this t value is lesser than t value that is given in the question. T value that is given is 2.0739. So this value is less than this value. So we can say that since t is less than t.05, the given hypothesis is accepted, and therefore there is no significant difference between their means.